Hello everyone. As you can see, it's really coming down. This is Lazy Larry. I'm standing right outside of my apartment door, and it is a downpour. I was sitting at my computer when I noticed it started, and it is coming down. You can see it. You can hear the thunder off in the background. I know out in Arizona, California, and Texas could all use this, especially out in the Arizona area where Lake Mead is drying up. You could use a lot of rain, a lot more than what we're going to get. It's down to record lows. I'm back up against the building. I have a overhead here, set it on my patio, and as you can see on my patio, I got to be really careful. I'm going to get wet. That's all right. This means we don't even have my air conditioner on because I don't need it. You can hear the thunder off in the background. Wanted to see if I could catch some lightning. So we're going to keep this one short, everybody. Take care. Stay safe and healthy. Plus, try to have fun. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.